Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
As the drive continues through Lanark Village, Florida, the rich history and coastal charm of this small community come to life. Located along U.S. Highway 98 in Franklin County, Lanark Village sits on the Gulf of Mexico, approximately 5 miles east of Carabel. This area is part of Florida's Forgotten Coast, known for its unspoiled landscapes and serene coastal views. In the late 19th century, Lanark on the Gulf emerged as a resort destination. Developed by Scotsman William Clark, the area featured the Grand Lanark Inn, which attracted visitors from nearby regions, especially Tallahassee. Guests enjoyed luxurious accommodations, a boardwalk, a pier, bathhouses, and a dance pavilion. The Carabel, Tallahassee and Georgia Railroad provided convenient access, making it a popular getaway. However, the resort faced challenges over the years. A hurricane in 1899 destroyed the original inn, but it was rebuilt, only to be lost to a fire in 1907. Despite these setbacks, the community persisted. Lanark Village is characterized by its coastal setting, with the Gulf of Mexico to the south and lush forests to the north. The area offers opportunities for fishing, boating, and enjoying the natural beauty of Florida's panhandle. The community's layout, with its modest homes and quiet streets, provides a glimpse into its past while serving as a peaceful retreat for residents and visitors alike.
Thanks for watching!